Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we get started with the main video, I want to introduce myself real quick. My name is Johnny Avalos from My Natural Polishing Concrete. Today is my first video here on YouTube. Well, I take that back. I opened this channel about 5 years ago, but I only post about 3 videos back then, since when I opened the channel. So you can say it's my first video because I'm right here sitting in front of this camera and talking to you guys. So my main goal here is to provide you guys with information about polishing concrete. Maybe somebody's interested in learn how to polish concrete, get in this trade, or for a customer that's looking for that extra information or wants to have the floor finished. Also, I'm going to be posting about work that we're actually doing on the field. Probably here and there I talk about epoxies and stains, but my main focus will be polishing concrete. I hope you guys like this video, and let's get started. Alright, you guys can see there, we open the floor with a 30 grit metal. We start patching. We're using a feather finish cement. So we're patching. You guys can see there the cracks and the imperfection of the floor. So we patching everything, double patch, so make sure it's not low. Also, I'm showing you guys there how the actually concrete is, the shape how it was before, super wavy. The concrete, a lot of low spots. So we try to level the floor as much as we could. And after we patch, we continue grinding to remove the patch. In some areas, the patch came out because the holes that were not deep enough, but we made it a little bigger and we went over and patched them again. So we run the entire floor with 80 grit metal. You guys can see the diameter of the machine. Also, my guy is doing the edges there. He's running right now a 50 grit ceramic to remove the scratches from that 30 grit uphill that we run at the beginning. So it's just to get very close on the edges because the machine never gets super close. So we have to do it with this 7-inch grinder on the edges. You guys can see I'm changing the diamonds. I'm putting there some ceramic pads, very good to remove scratches. So we're gonna run that in the entire floor and continue polishing. We just finished grinding the floor, so we're ready to mix the stain. The customer wanted a black stain, so you guys can see there I'm getting it ready to apply it on the floor. You guys can see there we're gonna stain the entire floor. You guys can see there my guy is putting tape on the metal so we don't get any stain. Also, one thing that this floor was very soft concrete. All concretes are different. Sometimes you get hard concrete, but this floor, the older the concrete is, the softer you get the concrete is going to be. The newer the concrete, the harder it's going to be. So this is a very old concrete. You guys can see there we put in the densifier. The densifier is going to help lock the color on the concrete and also helps with the dust proof and hardness the concrete. So right after we finished putting the densifier, once it got dry, we started running the 200 grit polishing pad. The customer didn't want a high gloss, so this will be our last step. Once we finish running this step on the entire floor, we're going to get ready to clean the floor so we can start applying the sealer. You guys can see there I'm already applying the sealer. It's recommended to use a sprayer because you don't use as much material, but I didn't have one, so I was pouring on the floor. So that's the final floor. Customer didn't want a high sheen. That's a 200 grit level. Also, there's no lights on the house, so in some parts you're gonna see some sort of sheen. I call it more on the semi-gloss, not a matte finish. I'm going to show you guys on the room. There were no lights, like I said before, but on some part you can see a little bit sheen, like right there, a little bit there, you know. So this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just want to say sorry for the audio. It wasn't the best. I had a little problems with it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so that way you guys get notified every time I upload a video. And that's it for this one, and see you guys in the next one.